This time we will continue the transformation and graph of trigonometrical functions. How to draw trigonometry in graph. This is what we have studied before, but I will review for some. Okay, this is how to draw sin 3x. If you want to draw y equal to sin 3x, you must know how to draw sin x. Sin x, the degree is the 0, this 0, 30 is half, 45 is half square root 2, 60 is the half square root 3, and 90 is 1. This is for quadrant 1. For quadrant 2, you will follow this and you can continue to here. After you got until 90, how to draw sin 3x? Remember, sin 3x means that each of this degree divided by 3. So if before 90 is 1, now not 90 anymore but 30, because 90 divided by 3 is 30. So this is this 30. If before 90 the value is 1, now 30 is 1, etc. With the 60 is the 20, and then 45 15, 30 is equal to 10, 0 is 0. So this is the value. So if you can say that this is 1 to here, this is also from here to here. So this is one wave, two wave, three waves. This is you must know how to draw sin's 3x. You have to try and try again. If you want to put 1 plus sin's 3x, 1 plus it means that you have to plus 1 to the before value. So if sin 3x is 0, so 1 plus sin 3x is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. If this is before 1, now it's become 2. So this is 30. 30 become 2. 0 become 1. So this is the wave. So you have to follow the pattern. So this is how to draw 1 plus sin 3x. How's about if you change the half, the 2x becomes x equal to 60. Okay, let's continue. How to draw them in a trigonometry. You must study first that since 0 is 0, since 90 is 1, since 180 is 0, since 270 is minus 1, since 360 is 0. This is about quadrant. Okay, so I introduced the new, this before this is sin x, now this is sin x minus 60. Sin minus 60, the first one is 0, 1, 60 minus 1, 0. What does it mean? So if you compare that since x minus 60 equal to sin 0, since x minus 60 equal to 90, sin x minus 60 equal to 180, sin x 60 equal to 170 and 360. So it means that if you cross out the sin, x minus 60 equal to 0, x minus 60 equal to 90, etc. So that we got this value that x is 0 plus 60, 90 plus 60. So 60, the value is 0, 150, the value is 1, 240, the value is 0, 330, the value is minus 1, 420, the value is 0. So if you compare to here, they're almost same. What does it mean? Because I said here plus, plus means that shift to right. So all of the degree to right for 60 degrees. You can understand it by seeing this graph. So this is what you have studied before, how to draw sin x. This is sin x, this purple. Okay, before it start from 0, now start from 60, because shift to right is 60 degree. So this is 40, this is 30, this is 60. So this one move to here. This is also from P out of 20, this 90, shift to 5 out of 6P. Okay, so 90, plus 60 equal to 150. So this is one. Okay, 250, 90 equal to 150, and etc. You draw it one by one and slowly. Okay, no need to be hurry. So this purple shift to right about about 60 degrees because x minus 60. After you know how to draw since x minus 60, this is your drawing. You start from here. Okay, because this one here just plus 1 plus this is 0 become what, 0 per 1 become 1, 1 plus 1 become 2, 0 plus 1 become 1, and etc. to here. So this one is equal to here. So you have to remember how and what is the difference sin x minus 60 and 1 plus sin x minus 60. This is the proof that I will tell to you. As about cos, okay, remember cos 0 is 1, cosinus 90 is 0, cos 180 is minus 1, 270 is 0, 360 is 1. Because the question is the cos x minus 60, so all of this value must be copied to here. After that, we can agree that the cos x minus 60 is 0, cos x minus 60 equal to 90, cos x minus 60 equal to 130, cos x minus 60 equal to 270, cos x minus 60 equal to 360. And then you just delete the cos and you got this value. What does it mean? So x equal to 0 plus 60. It means that 0 degrees shift right to 60, 90 degrees shift right to 60, 180 shift right to 60, plus 60, 270 shift right 60 degree become 330. But for the value must be same. You can see that 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, so this is that you have to study slowly. Okay, so if you already know that when the 0 shifted right is equal to 0, so you just shift it. Before this is start from here, 0. Now we start the 0, move to right, 60 degrees this one. So you start from here. Before it start like this, now it's become this one. Okay, so this is how to draw cos x minus 60. If you already know how to draw cos x minus 60, you must know how to draw 1 plus cos x minus 60. Okay, this is the cos x minus 60. Start from here. So because start from a cos x minus 60, Indonesia just lift up, shift up to draw 1 plus cos x minus 60. So after you shift up 1 point, you shift up 1 point, you shift up 1 point, etc. So you got the answer. That if you want to draw 1 plus cos x minus 60, you have to draw cos x minus 60 first. And after that, you just shift up 1 point. Everything. Okay. So you can see before this 1, now become 2. Before 0 become 1, before minus 1 become 0, before 0 is 1, before this 1 become 2. Okay, yeah, that's all. That's what I have told you. I want you review and review it again until you really understand, because after you understand, I will give you schoolwork again that you can see in assignment. Thank you. See you in the next topic.